I'm Rima Torgerson. I am a client of Scott's Lawn Care, and I have been for almost 15 years. I got a reference from a friend for Scott's Lawn Care, so I started using them and was immediately pleased with their work and have just used them ever since. So they've done a variety of services for me over the years, and every year it's just whatever I need, but it's always lawn care, and they always take care of my bushes, maintenance. Basically, it's awesome because I can just call Scott when I find a need in the yard and he makes it happen. They are just so reliable, friendly, and their work is quality. They know a lot of things about the grass that I don't know in terms of when it's appropriate to do certain applications. It's just a relief to have the assurance of knowing that they know what they're doing, and then I don't have to worry about it.